Okay friends, I'm going to show you how I make a really quick and easy hamburger gravy. Homemade, and using most of the stuff from my pantry and my freezer because my burger was frozen. I've got that all browned up. So what I'm going to do with that, real quick, with my scissors, is I'm going to put a little bit of veggies in with that burger. Now I'm just going to put the lid back on that, and I'm just going to let those veggies warm because the burger is all done. Okay, now I've got my pan right here heating up, and I'm going to put 2 tablespoons of my real butter in there and get that melted. I'm going to make what my grandmother always referred to as a poor man's gravy. And it goes good with your burger. And we're going to serve it over mashed potatoes. So this is like a hamburger gravy over mashed potatoes. Now here I got 2 cups of nice warm water. And I've also got my homemade beef bouillon. So I'm going to put a nice tablespoon of that in there. And let me get a fork and mix that up. You don't need a whole lot of this because it's pretty stout stuff. Now you can use regular beef broth, you can use chicken broth, anything you want. But I'm just using this. Let me take this out here because I'm going to taste this. If I get mixed in real good. Make sure I don't need any more. It's always a good idea when you have homemade to taste it. And that's perfect. 1 tablespoon is enough of that. Okay, so with that, I'm also going to have roughly 2 tablespoons of flour. Okay? Whoa! That wasn't good. Get that out of the way. Enough. You can tell I'm in a hurry. I've been busy all day. Okay, I'm just going to mix this around here, and I've got a fire. Mix this around here. Get all that flour mixed in. I want to cook that a little bit to cook the flour taste out of that. Okay? See how it's getting a little on the brown side there? It's getting a little brown and nice. Not nice and brown. Okay, now to that I'm going to add 2 cups of my broth. And that will thicken up as it cooks. Okay. We're just going to let that, I'm going to turn that down and let that simmer a little bit and thicken up. Okay, this is nice and thick, you can see. I'm going to pull this one over here, take my lid off here, and you can see my veggies and my meat is all done. This is just very, very easy. I'm going to pour this right in on top of all that. Okay? Don't waste any. I'm going to mix that up. And there we have it. It's that easy. I'm going to put a little pepper in that. I don't need any salt in that. I don't need any other seasonings because remember I used my homemade bouillon mix and that's got all the spices I need in it. Otherwise, if you just want to make a gravy to go with your hamburger and your veggies. You can just simply put a package of onion soup mix, or you know, use broth and spice it up a little, but I just use this. Real simple. And I do have a video for my homemade beef broth. So I'm just going to leave the lid on this and set it aside until my potatoes are done, and I'll be back. Okay friends, this is all done and my potatoes are done, so I can dish this up. That's how easy this was. So we will do this right here. Put some potatoes. Oh, my husband's got to have a little more than that. He likes his potatoes. Okay. Set that aside. Now, I'll show you this right here. This turned out beautiful, and it thickened up as it sat a little bit. So we're going to take a scoop of that, and we're just going to nicely pour that right over the top of the potatoes. And there you have it. That is a quick meal in under 30 minutes, and budget friendly, and from your pantry. So there you have it, friends. That's the way to make a fast meal on a busy day. Thanks for watching.